Mastering English phrases. Unpacking, to write down. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used English phrase, to write down. It's a simple yet essential part of everyday communication in English. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use this phrase like a native speaker. Let's get started. To write down is a phrasal verb that combines write with the preposition down. It means to record something in writing. This could be a note, a reminder, or any piece of information. It emphasizes the action of transferring information from memory or verbal communication into a written form. Example: can you write down your phone number for me? 1. Taking notes. Commonly used in academic or meeting settings. 2. Example: during the lecture, I wrote down all the important points. 3. Making lists. For groceries, tasks, or plans. 4. Example: I need to write down what we need from the store. 5. Recording information. Like dates, names, or addresses. 6. Example: let me write down your address so I won't forget. 1. Visualize the action. Imagine yourself writing something down on a piece of paper. 2. Use it in daily conversation. Practice using to write down in your everyday conversations. 3. Create your own examples. Think of situations where you could use this phrase and write down your examples. And that's a wrap on to write down. Remember, it's all about putting information into writing. We hope this video helps you use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.